Hey everyone, happy Friday. Today I'm going to talk about what is a freebie seeking opportunities and everything else, and how to set up your own freebie whatever it is you're doing, like a magnet or some tools, or not, well, excuse me, tools or anything that will help your audience out. And I'm gonna tell you what it is. Now, a freebie is where you get somebody something in value. It's free. You're not charging them a dime or anything. It's theirs to keep. They can use it to help out in their business and all that. This is a great tool that I don't think most marketers are doing these days. Maybe a few, but not not a lot, because all of them, I don't know what they do these days. But these freebie things do help, and it helps your audience. It build a connection. It does all that, and knowing that, but it gives you something to go on, so that way you don't have to sell pitch your opportunities all the time. Instead of promoting some opportunities, how about you build your own business or your own freebie seeking thing, so that way honest will trust you. Build like trust. I'm not gonna buy an opportunity if they don't know what it is, but they will look into your freebie thing or whatever you have to offer. So I know sometimes it's hard for us to offer stuff, but there are tools these days that can help you, like AI and all that. So if you're not sure how to do it, it'll help you brainstorm some ideas. So take advantage of that and use the technology at your disposal, and don't listen to the people that said don't, because they're set in the past and we're moving on to the future. Let those people sit in the past, and they might be veterans, they may know what they're doing, they may have some ideas, but times change and they're gonna lose, so they're gonna have to compete, or they're gonna lose. So let them be their headache. You do what you think is best. Don't listen to them, because yes, listen to the good ones, but the ones that give you bad advice, don't listen to them. They're not helping you. They just for themselves. But anyways, that's this video on what freebie seeking opportunities are, or how to do it, and everything else in between. And you like this video, like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more of my videos. And that's all I gotta say. Take care and have a great Friday, everyone.